Hello. All right, so I'm doing a live stream, and this time I have much better audio. I went out and invested in a microphone, which I think is important. But I just wanted to talk a little bit and find out how many people out there are who are following my success coaching page are interested in how to develop a successful online business. If you are, I can share with you several years ago when I lived in New York, I was fortunate enough to come across Russell Brunson, and he had a course at that time called .com Secrets. And it was a course that came with a book and I think several DVDs at that time. And as a matter of fact, yeah, he also at that time was teaching micro-continuity, which is how to create a website that you set up once and then you leave it out there and it continues to bring a revenue stream in for you. But anyway, since that time, that was many years ago, Russell then changed his business model and took a lot of the knowledge that he had gained from his experience and put it in a book. So this book here, .com Secrets, is actually really, he calls it the underground playbook for growing a company online. But it's really packed with a lot of good information. And one of the nice things I like about Russell is he's very straightforward. He explains things in, he doesn't have a technical background. I started out as a software engineer, and actually I started doing web development in Notepad before, just when web browsers first came out. So I'm familiar with programming. Russell's not a programmer, and in fact, he was a professional wrestler for a period of time. So what he did was he has very good skills in terms of understanding marketing and how you capture people's attention and bring them through a sales process. So .com Secrets is really all about learning how to leverage that knowledge from marketing and drawing in an audience for your website. A lot of people end up building a website and they never have sales. They don't know how to drive traffic. They don't understand the sales funnel process. So this book, .com Secrets, is very good. It actually steps through what you need to know in order to get started. And so, some people have heard of the term a funnel, and he breaks it down and explains what a funnel is. And he has these very illustrative diagrams to help communicate the concepts. And he does a very good job of that. Again, he's not someone who comes from a technical engineering background. And as a result, in my opinion, anyone can pick up his work and follow it and benefit from it. So, I really think this is awesome. I think it's incredible. I like how he explains things. And I think from my experience, actually, in applying what I've learned from him, this really works. It's good information. So I'm going to end this live stream right now, but if you're interested in getting a free copy of this book, go ahead and click on the link you'll see below this video or somewhere near this video where you can get your free copy of this book. And let me know your thoughts. I'm curious. And we can talk some more about this at another time. So that's it for now. Have a good evening.